How's it going, YouTube and Cobalt World? So today, I'm going over some of the tools I have, or have, that I've either purchased or recently, or gotten for Christmas or whatever. And some of them I've used, some of them I haven't used. In the case of the ones we're getting ready to go over now, I haven't used any of these. I've had these for 2 years. So, well, it'll be 2 years this coming Christmas. So 2 Christmases ago is when I got these. I got the 8-piece Universal Standard. They've got the nice black melanite finish on them. And I also got the 8-piece metric set. Combination wrenches. These are actually a really nice set. I haven't used them. I've been using all my other crappy tools and all that for working on vehicles, doing oil changes or whatever. I figure while my old crappy sets are still, plugging away, and yeah, a few sockets have broken or whatever from doing this or that or whatever, that why dirty up my new stuff and mess it up when I can right now keep using all the other crap that I've got, cheap stuff and everything else. These sets weren't super expensive. I didn't buy them anyway, so it didn't matter to me. I got a Christmas budget with my mom, but the metric set comes with an 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 17. Obviously, most of you know why they skip certain numbers, and that's because they happen to match up with the standard set. In the standards, I have 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, and 11/16. Now, does it cover everything? No. A lot of times you need a 3/4. Doesn't have it. A lot of times you need a 13/16. Doesn't have it. But still a good set of wrenches. You can never go wrong with having too many wrenches. It's just a matter of, do you have the right ones for what the job pertains or requires, whatever. Now, this last Christmas, I got the 20-piece Pro 90 ratcheting combination wrenches, and it has can't see half the numbers on these. So let's see here. We have a 6, an 8, a 10, yep, a 12. I'm gonna guess it's a 13. Yep, and then it's gonna be a 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 in the metric here on the bottom. And on the top, we have, cover it up, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and that infamous 3/4 inch. Yes, there it is, 3/4 inch. Now, what's really nice about these is that they're color coded. The other ones that I just showed you weren't. So all of the standard have a red line on them, and all of the metric have a blue. So you know what you're grabbing when you grab it. Like it says, it is a Pro 90 ratcheting. So, got obviously 90 teeth. Seemed like a pretty solid set of wrenches. As you can see, hasn't even been taken out of the package. They're just hanging up over here on a pegboard, collecting dust right now. But those are my wrenches. We're getting into some better things than some of the stuff that I've had on here. I mean, obviously, I've gone over pliers, gone over some of the new power tools I've gotten, which you can still see where I'm sitting here, which is the sander. Yeah, I'm just figuring I'll put together a bunch of 5-minute videos, 6-minute videos, whatever, and go over a bunch of these as much as I can, and as I use them, I'll do more videos on them, letting people know, what I really think of them. Right now, I think everything I've got is a great set. Everything feels well made. I tend not to buy junk. I have bought cheaper stuff in the past. One of the things I've bought is the Works drill and driver kit. I bought that a few years ago. Hell, the drill and driver, I used it to build an entire shed. I use the drill all the time for trimming cases and stuff like that. So it's had a lot of use, and I've had it for probably 3 or 4 years now. And the head on it's starting to get a little wobbly, but it still works, and I'll still use it for stuff like that and not beat up my new stuff. But I'll keep bringing out the videos. You guys keep smashing that like button if you like my videos. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell. That way you don't miss out on any new content that comes out. For right now, you guys have a good one and stay safe out there.